In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the voice mode on Claude Design. So this way you can directly talk to the Claude model and it will start doing any changes you want. It will also detect your mouse, so you can select whatever you want to change, and this way Claude will know exactly what changes you want. So you just need to go to the bottom left and click the voice input mode. And after you click here, it will start hearing anything you say to the model. So I'm going to ask Claude for a few simple changes. I want you to completely remove the nutrition category right here. And also you will need to add a light mode at the top of the application. Once you are done, just click send. And now after a few minutes, we got this switch right here to switch between the dark mode and light mode. And we also got the nutrition card removed. We can see the changes right here. And that's it. You can basically ask Claude for any changes you want, so you can make your designs much easier. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.